Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to show you how to insert image placeholder in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Now we want to insert image placeholder to this pages or Affinity Publisher document. Go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Now I select the picture frame rectangle tool and draw this frame. Click and drag on our mouse. Now we can see we insert a rectangle placeholder. You can add image to this placeholder. Go back again the tools section, select the place tool and choose picture from our file, then insert it or click open. Now we can see we insert a image placeholder and insert image very easily. You can insert ellipse placeholder. Go back the tools section and select the picture frame ellipse tool, then draw this. Press shift on our keyboard. You can add picture to this placeholder. Select the place tool and choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Now we can see we insert image placeholder very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.